Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM Certified 2017 Buick Envision Essence all-wheel drive. Stock number Z6950XX. 20,000 miles in this Envision. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight metallic in color. To be GM Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Envision's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear climate control. Outboard seats are also heated. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily with a pull of a handle, and of course very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Essence has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power liftgate control, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with drive information system, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And HomeLink. Under the hood, this Envision has a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder, 197 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. And don't forget about that certified warranty protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6950XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.